We are unpacking what great MedTech CEOs do differently and when founders should hand the baton.
Because if you're an early stage company, then I would say disproportionately you have to have a real um, bent towards commercialization and understanding of some of the things that you were talking about earlier, some of the branding, some of the the preparation for launching a company, for launching a product, and I think what I often see is when I'm brought in is there's a technical founder, and the technical founder lacks that experience and can't instill enough confidence in the investors to bet on them.
Mm-hmm.
And far too often, those technical founders are just really reluctant to want to pass that baton.
So it does rely heavily on these technical founders or even engineers and or physicians who have a great idea. And what I have found with Tribe Agency, and we kind of place ourselves right in that innovation web, is technical founders can get all of the nuts and bolts done, the product dev, the road mapping, the phase gating, all of the technical things, the regulatory, et cetera. But I would say largely there's a skill gap, which you just identified as the number one trait of an executive placement within these same companies. The skill gap is commercialization. It is branding and marketing. And I hear too many people say, I don't believe in marketing or I don't believe in branding. I'm like, then you don't believe in being a company. Because ultimately, how do you get the word out on your innovation if you don't brand it and you don't actually have a viable brand that has its own identity that people can relate and feel emotionally attached to, coupled with marketing is the channel in which you're pushing your brand out to your desired audience. So you have to have both of those to, one, enable your sales force to do their job, and two, to actually get revenue to exchange.